the Maxipoint point boot kit range for cultivators, so that's all C-shank machines, and also the cultivators like Forward Bakeshaw's, Gason, Simplicity, John Shearer, and even some other ones. Point boot setup. So you've got Slotmate range, which is our change point range. You've got a heavy-duty bolt-on adapter here. Points, quick change. Every point comes free with a linchpin. Regarding the points, there's about 20 different points or options of different points in the Slotmate range. Most common is Slotmate vertical, 15mm wide tungsten. You've got that in 12mm, super long live variant, and obviously hard-faced, and a few other options. Liquid nuts on the back we can do a lot of. This is a Slotmate F, for example. That's the wing, 60mm wing. The Slotmate Diner, that's only a 6-inch point. And you've got our Slotmate Straight, which is a 60 degree. You've got the Slotmate Vertical Short, a little 5-inch point, and sell a lot of them in South Australia, where those farmers don't want to dig so deep. Here we can see this Slotmate Vertical. If you want to come up here, that's got side plates on it, an optional extra. So what side plates are doing is just double shooting, mainly guys wanting to deflect that little bit more soil away from the fertiliser drop zone, just to make sure that fertiliser does keep deep banded down to the bottom of the furrow. And just coming around to the seed boots now, got a mixture of double shoot, 3 single shoot boots here. So you've got the double shoot bracket here, putting the fert down deep band, and then you've got your back shoot coming in behind it, closing in that furrow, leaving that nice flat seed. All these boots are liquid compatible, so you can liquid tube down the holes there. And all the single shoot ones you've got there going down to maybe a nut or some stainless steel pipe on the back of your point. Regarding the back shoots, we've got here a 30mm single row. We've got our most common 50mm wide single rows, wide closer plate, just filling in the furrow, leaving that nice flat seed bed for a really even seed placement. All these back shoots in our range are adjustable. They've got 3 height positions there, and you can also tilt them back to change the angle. So you've got 2 angle setups and 3 heights. This is our paired row, 40mm paired row. We measure the 40mm in the centre of the outlet. Some of the seed might be a little bit more than 40mm, but essentially that's going to be 40mm split. If you wanted to go even wider, we do a 70mm split, and that's where you're going to look down the furrow after germination and see 2 distinct lines if you go out 70mm. But a lot of guys like the 40mm. It's just a little bit wider than standard, and it will bring a 12-inch spacing back to that 10 inches, maybe 10, 11 inches. We also have a side banded here, and we do have a few other less common back shoots in the range. We do a very narrow 20mm one, which is really just like a wider point on the back there, and from time to time we've done other custom type boots. This is a piece of 38mm OD seed hose, 32 ID. It fits in to the top of the back shoots, snug like that. Can be fixed with a hose clamp or a screw. And if you just look in here, it's got the ridge there, so if you've got the smaller seed hose, 25, 32 OD, it'll fit all the way down to about here. It's got a slight taper, and once again the same. It's a snug fit, but you can use a hose clamp or a screw if you like. Like I said, give us a call if you've got any further questions. Thanks.